Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam kurme devo sarvakaryasu sarvada. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am taking a class for grade 2, that is class 2. The English lesson number 3, Granny's Jumbo. Okay, English lesson number 3, Granny's Jumbo. Okay, Granny's Jumbo. Here in this lesson, we are going to know the love and affection between the Jumbo, means a baby elephant, and a Granny. Granny means an old woman, right? We are going to read in this lesson. The story is all about an old woman and a Jumbo. Jumbo here is a baby elephant. Okay, Jumbo here is a baby elephant, right? Okay, shall we start? Right, let's start. Look at the picture. Here are baby elephants are there. These are called here in this book, here in this lesson, it is called as Jumbo. It is called as Jumbo. Jumbo means a baby elephant. Do you think the baby elephant is happy while discussing the class? Here is the baby elephant, here is the elephants, right? Baby elephant is very happy because it's playing with their parents, okay? So why and discussing the class, right? So here, let's read the lesson. Let's read the lesson. Okay, let's read the lesson. One day, an old woman found a baby elephant. One day, an old woman found a baby elephant. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ಗೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. She decided to keep it. ಅದನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇದ್ರು. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. Right? The children in the village called the elephants. The children in the village called the elephants Granny's Jumbo. That baby elephant is called as a Granny's Jumbo. Who called it as? The children of the village. The children of the village called the elephant as Granny's Jumbo. They played with it. They played with Jumbo. All the village children used to play with the baby elephant. Played with the baby elephant. That's called Jumbo. Right? Who played with the Jumbo? All the children of the village played with the Jumbo. Okay? Alright? So, next. Jumbo often swung them up in his truck and then put them down carefully. Swung andre ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ. ಒಂಥರ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಂಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಅಂತ ಏನಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ trunk. Okay. Jumbo often swung them up in the trunk and then put them down carefully. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು ಜಂಬೋ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸಿ ಭಾಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಜಂಬೋ ಆಫನ್ ಸ್ವಾಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಪ್ in his trunk and then put them down carefully. Okay. Granny was becoming old and weak. Old people means they get weak. They can't able to walk properly. They can't able to stand properly. They can't able to do many of work as they are in young. As compared with the young, they can't able to do many works. Okay, right? Granny was becoming old and weak. Jumbo realized ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನಿಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್. Jumbo realized that Granny has become weak. He decided to help her. One cloudy day, he was standing by a riverside when an old man came. He looked very tired. Old man came and he looked very tired because the old men and women can't able to walk. If they walk for a while, they feel tired. ಹೌದಾ? Granny was becoming old and weak. ಗ್ರಾನಿಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಕೋದು ಬಂತು ಮತ್ತೆ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ಲು. ಜಂಬೋ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್. ಮೊದಲಿನ ಥರ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He decided to help her. ಯಾವುದು? Jumbo decided to help her. One cloudy day, he was standing by a riverside when an old man came. Riverside ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಳೆ ದಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತಿತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದ. He looked very tired. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳನೇ ಆಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. He was going to the neighboring village on the other side of the river. ರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. He looked very tired. He was going to the neighboring. Just you practice this word. Neighboring. Neighboring. Village on the other side of the river. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿವರ್ದು ತಂಡಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಿತ್ತು? ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅತ್ತಾಗ The old man could not walk because it's already cloudy and it may rain. Because if it start raining, he can't able to walk, or he was not having any shelter to stay. So he decided to ask the Jumbo. So Jumbo offered to help the old man. Jumbo offered to help the old man. He asked the old man to sit on his back and carefully carried him to the neighboring village. ಜಂಬೋ ಏನಂತೂ, ಬಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊ, ನೀನು ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಯಾ, ನೀನು ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಜಂಬೋ ಆಫರ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಿ ಆಸ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು and carefully carried him to the neighboring village. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯಿತು ಜಂಬೋ. The old man was very happy. ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕ್ಲೌಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಳೆ ಬರೋ ಸಂಭಾವನೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜಂಬೋ ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ and gave him some money. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. Jumbo rushed home and gave the money to Granny. Jumbo rushed home and gave the money to granny. ಆ ಜಂಬೋ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಟೀಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ಐಸ್. ನನಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ತುಳಿದು ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ತಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣ ನೀರು ಬಂತು. ಸಂತೋಷದ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಟೀಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ಐಸ್. ಶಿ ಹಗ್ಡ್ ಜಂಬೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೇವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಬನಾನಾಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬನಾನಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಹೂ ಗೇವ್? ಶಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ. She also gave him some tasty bananas to eat. Tasty bananas to eat. Okay. Here, realized means became aware of. Okay. So here the granny, you can see here their love and affection. Right. Here the granny hugging to the Jumbo, and Jumbo is also very happy, and the granny is also happy, and in happily she is having a tears of joy, because when the Jumbo came to know that Granny became a old aged, weak, she can't able to work and she can't able to make her own living, she can't able to earn. So then Jumbo thought it and went to the riverside, and there came an old man. Okay, the old man, and the Jumbo asked the old man to sit on his back so that I can drop you there to the village. Jumbo offered. Old man accepted. Then they went on. The Jumbo carefully dropped him to the next village, nearby village. Then the old man gave some money. Okay, that money the Jumbo took and ran to the granny and give that money to the granny, so that granny, by seeing that money, the granny felt tears of joy in her eyes, and she hugged the Jumbo and thanked him. She also gave him some tasty bananas. Okay, so ಹೀಗ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ love and affection of the Jumbo, a baby elephant, and the granny. Okay. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಊರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ಲು. ಆ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜಂಬೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಆ ಜಂಬೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತರು, ಬಹಳ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆಗ ಆ ಊರಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಂಬೋ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ರು. ಬೇಬಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಜಂಬೋ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ರು. ಆ ಊರಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಂಡಿಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸು ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ಮೈಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಆ ಜಂಬೋ ಭಾಳ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಹಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹರ್. ಹೆಂಗನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಏನನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡಿ ಡೇ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅವನು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊಳೆ ದಂಡಿ ನಿಂತಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಆತ ಕೂಡ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಭಾಳ ನಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿವರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಗ ಆನೆ ಜಂಬೋ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಬೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ವಿಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಇದು ಜಂಬೋಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಓಡೋಡಿ ಬಂದು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಂತು. ರೈಟ್, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಂತು. ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಂಬೋಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಜಂಬೋಗೆ ಆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಶಿ ಗೇವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಬನಾನಾಸ್, ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಬನಾನಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ರು. This is all the story is all about this. The love and affection of the baby elephant and a old woman. Right? So, by this story, by reading and understanding these short stories, help you to know the language better. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವರ್ಡ್ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಅದರದ್ದು ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ನು ಓದಿರೋ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಅ old woman and how a jumbo, they are very affectionately, right? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇರಲಾರ್ದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇರಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬದುಕಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಣ್ಣವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾಳ ಕೇರ್ ತಗೋತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಮಿಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಕ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. One day, and an old woman found a baby elephant. She decided to keep it. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. The children in the village called elephant a Granny Jumbo. Granny Jumbo. They played with it. They played with Jumbo. They played with Jumbo. They played with Jumbo. Jumbo often swung them up in his trunk, and then put them down carefully. Granny became old and weak. Jumbo realized that Granny has become weak. He decided to help her. One cloudy day, he was standing by a riverside when an old man came. He looked very tired. He was going to the neighboring village. Neighboring ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, neighboring village. On the other side of the river. River ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಳೆ. The old man couldn't walk. Jumbo offered to help the old man. He asked the old man to sit on his back carefully, carried him to the neighboring village. The old man was very happy and gave him some money. Right? Gave him some money. Jumbo rushed to the home and gave money to Granny. Granny had tears of joy in her eyes. She hugged Jumbo and thanked him. She also gave him some tasty bananas to eat. This is the love and affection of the granny. Okay. Realized means become aware. Became aware. Clear? Hope you understood this story. So you try to read and try to understand. Try to know the meanings of each and every word. Okay. Then this is the answer time. As you know, after understanding the lesson, there is some activity that how much you have understood. To know how much you have understood. Granny means Granny loved Jumbo. Jumbo earned money to help Granny. The old man gave money to Jumbo. Old age means weakness. Tired old man. The old man was tired. So Granny loved Jumbo. Jumbo earned money to help Granny. The old man gave money to Jumbo. Old age, weakness. Tired old man. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks with the correct word. An old woman found a dash elephant, baby or big elephant. She found a baby elephant. The dash in the village called him Jumbo. People or children. The children in the village called him Jumbo. The children dashed with him. Studied or played? They have played with him. Him means whom? Jumbo. Jumbo carried an old, not young. Jumbo carried an old man to the neighboring village. Right? Granny had tears of dash in her eyes, sadness or joy. Tears of joy. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಆಗ್ಲಾರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೀಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಜಾಯ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ದುಃಖದ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Granny had a tears of joy in her eyes. Okay. So next, let's explore what is the baby elephant called. Baby elephant is called as a Jumbo. Baby elephant called as Jumbo. Okay, footnote. Baby elephant called as Jumbo, right? So here vocabulary. Here let's learn new words. Adding Y to some words. Adding Y to some words. Read the following sentences from the lesson. It was very cloudy day. Cloudy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡವಾದ ದಿವಸ. Cloudy ಅಂತಾರೆ. Cloudy. She also gave him some tasty bananas to eat. ಎಂತ banana ಕೊಟ್ಲು? Tasty banana. Tasty bananas. Right? She gave tasty bananas. Right? Next is, look at the words in the blue in the sentences. First sentence, it is found by adding Y to the word cloud, cloudy. Cloud plus Y, cloudy. Cloud andre moda. Cloudy andre ಮೋಡ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಡವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. So we add Y to some words, make new words. Some more examples are wind, windy. Wind plus Y, windy. Oil plus Y, oily. Dirt plus Y, dirty. Rock plus Y, rocky. Okay? If words end with E, we need to remove the last letter and then add Y. For example, look at the word written in the blue in the second sentence. It is formed by adding Y to the word taste to tasty. After removing the last letter E, taste plus Y is tasty. So here in the lesson, you can see the sentence. She gave him some tasty bananas to eat. Where is that E? That E will be omitted by adding the Y. By adding of Y. Right? We have to remove the E when we are adding Y. Some more examples. Noisy. E is removed in the noisy. Smoky. Smoke plus Y. Smoky. E is removed here. Right? So like this we can add the Y to these words to make new words. Snow, snowy. Wax, waxy. Rain, rainy. Nose, nosy. E is removed. Sand, sandy. Shine, shiny. E is removed. Juice, juicy. E is removed here. Juicy. Dust, dusty. Sleep, sleepy. Sleep, sleepy. Wave, wavy. E is removed here. Okay, just read this so that you can able to compare and you can able to understand. Let's learn the sound. Read the words aloud and notice the sound of the words starting with sh, sh. Scoop, scary, scale, scope, scarce, scarf. Scoop, scary, scale, scoop, scarce, scarf. Sky, skirt, skip, skin, skate. Sky, skirt, skip, skin, skate. Squad, squat, squeak, squeeze, squirrel. Squad, squid, squad, squeak, squeeze, squirrel. Make sentences with the following words in your notebook. The sky is very cloudy. The scarf is very nice. The skirts look very beautiful. The squirrel runs very fast. Like this you can make a sentence, one sentences. This is homework for you. Alright? The sky looks blue. The scarf is made with silk. The skirt is white. The squirrel is jumping very fast. Like this you can make words of your own. Okay, let's listen and speak. Listen careful to your teacher or he or she. reads some sentences. Now say whether the following sentences are true or false. If the sentence is false, then say the true sentence for it. So you have to say, when it is true, you need to say false. Okay, when it is correct, you need to say wrong, like that. Regular exercise is good for health. It is true statement, right? You need to say false. We should wake up late every morning. True. It's a false statement actually. You have to say true. We should spend at least half an hour on exercise. It's a true statement. You need to say false. Exercise does not help to stay fit and healthy. False. You need to say true. Okay. Exercise makes our bones and muscles weak. It's a false statement. Instead, they make a strong statement. So that's a true. For true statement, you need to say false. Okay? Then say true sentence for it. Then say true sentence for it. You need to say regular exercise is good for health. Yes. Regular exercise is good for health. We should wake up late every morning. No. We should wake up early in the morning. We should spend at least half an hour on exercise. Yes, we can spend the minimum half an hour on the exercise. Exercise does not help us to stay fit and healthy. No, exercise help us to stay fit and healthy. Exercise makes our bones and muscles weak. No, exercise make our bones and muscles very strong. Right? So here, work in pair, read the following dialogues with the correct pronunciation and proper expression. I like doing meditation, it keeps me calm. I like doing meditation, it keeps me calm. So with expressively you have to speak. I don't like doing meditation, I find it rather boring. I don't like doing meditation. I find it rather doing. Okay. From the pair, just you have a conversation with your family, friends nearby you, with your brother or sister, with your parents. Okay. So that will make you better conversation. That will help you in making the better conversation. Gender. Read the following sentences on the lesson. One day, an old woman found a baby elephant. The old man was very happy and gave him some money. Here you can say old woman, here you can say man. What is a woman and a man? This is feminine and masculine, male and female. Okay. What about the animals? How they are called male animals? What they are called as the male animals? What they call for the female animals? Let's have a look here. Look at the words in the pink. The woman and the man tells us whether a person is a male or female. Male or female. If it is male ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅಂತಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ವುಮನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡು. Right? These two group are called as the genders. Boy, a girl ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. Woman is a female and a man is a male. Now read the pair of words given below. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, tiger, tigress, drake, duck. Okay. So here father is a male, mother is a female, grandfather is a male, grandmother is a female, uncle is a male, aunt is a female, brother is a male, sister is a female, tiger is a male, tigress is a female, drake is a male, duck is a female. For example, tiger is a male and tigress is a female. Right? Here we'll match some animals with their females ones. Males with females. Lion, lioness. Lioness. Peacock, peahen. Tiger, tigress. Cock, hen. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. This is the male and this is the female. Lion is the male, lioness is the female. Tiger is the male, tigress is the female. Okay, like this we have some group of animals, male animals, what the male animals are called, what the female animals are called, just you have to match it. Okay, let's writing dialogue. Writing dialogue. Complete the dialogues given below. Complete the dialogues given below. Can you make a cake? Yes, I can. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಅದ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ಆ ಥರ. ಎಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಡ್? ಎಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಬೆಡ್. Now form some similar dialogues with other situations and practice in pair. Okay, see what you have to do is, can I write? Can I write? Can you write here? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can I read this? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Can I hold it? Yes, you can. Like this, you can have the conversation in between pair of your family members or brother or sister. As is a lockdown, we can't form a pair with your school friends, right? Value and life skills. Do you think it's necessary to take care of the animals at zoo? Next time you visit a zoo, try to find out how the animals are taken care of. Discuss your findings in the class. Okay, so value and life skills. Do you think it is necessary to take care of the animals at zoo? Yes, we must take care. They have a life, they need food, they need water, they need care, they need love, they need affection. We have to take care of them because they are animals. They can't able to speak. They have a life, right? Because we bought them from their parents. They are missing animals, so that we are kept in the zoo, right? Next time visit zoo, try to find out how many animals, how animals are taken care of. Discuss in the class. In the zoo, some caretakers will be there. Okay, they feed fruits, vegetables, flesh of other animals for tigers, crocodile, like that. And parrots eat fruits, okay, and even vegetables, okay, and even birds eat both vegetable, grassy or leafy vegetable, as well as flesh of other animals. Okay, so like this they have taken care because they need care of cleaning them regularly. Okay, they need a bath. Okay, they need a bath also. Some animals need bath also, right? So, and their waste. Okay, every day you are going to groom your house, right? Like that, every day their cage has to be cleaned out. Okay, all right. This is all about the lesson called all about the jumbo and Granny's jumbo. This is lesson all about the Granny's jumbo. Read the lesson carefully. Try to understand each and every concept thoroughly. Okay, this is all about the love and affection of a old woman and a baby plant. Old woman and a baby plant. Try to read each and every word. Try to know each and every word. Try to understand each and every sentence. Okay, and you may cook your own story. You may cook your own story. You can make your own story. Okay, right? So these short stories, small stories, makes these short stories or small stories make you better conversation in English language, better understanding the English language. Don't consider these are just lessons. These are for reading and writing in a notebook. That's it. No, this will help you to know the language better, understand the language better. I am telling again and again, try to focus in this manner. Okay, try to read lessons in this way. Okay, clear? Okay, so that this lesson is over. The Granny's jumbo. Try to read all the lesson properly. Try to get familiar with the spellings of this hard new words where I marked here. Okay, in the descriptions also I will give you the new words. Write them in your notebook. Practice, spell, pronounce it, and get familiar with these spellings, and try to understand each and every Try to understand each and every sentence properly, and grammar part too. In the grammar part, we had explained you male and female. Alright? Okay? Feminine and masculine. Male and females. Right? So, any doubts in this? If at all you find any doubts, you may call me at any time between 5 a.m. to 5 between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may call, and I will be in a position to clear your doubts. Okay? Till then, take care. See you in the next session. Bye.